Here is the Fiat 500, loaded with Abarth's factory tuning, spiced up with a Tokyo-style Liberty Walk LB Works and Abarth Works kit. Some kind of unexpected Liberty Walk custom car you might think of, but you'd be wrong. The essence of Italy's smallest performance car, historically an icon of Italian rallying, has been fearlessly reimagined by one of arguably the most controversial car tuners of our time. Reference car is a 180 brake horsepower 2019 model Abarth 595 that hits 100 kilometers per hour in less than 6.5 seconds. Liberty Walk's famously bold take on over fenders, rooted in Bosozoku culture, pushes the fearless Fiat into new territory. There is no doubt that this stunning wide-body kit perfectly captures the flair of the vintage Fiat 500's rally heritage look, while giving it a bold JDM vibe. The LB Works x Abarth Works Abarth 595 kit includes wide fenders, bumpers, side diffusers, dual rear wing, and a bonnet reminiscent of the 500 Electric's angry eyes. Chassis improvements include an ideal 4-air suspension system, forged 17-inch LBX Kyoho IW wheels, and a one-off exhaust system to maximize performance and sound. Inside, the Recaro 1 full bucket seat is matched with a classic Italian-style Nardi steering wheel, a truly bold package that no one expected from Liberty Walk, but that everyone has been waiting for. Hit the like button and subscribe to follow unique car reviews and car show recaps from Japan. Feeling inspired? Get your Abarth 595 now from beforward. Visit beforward.jp. For inquiries, email us at top@beforward.jp.